Welcome to DelphStack. Today, I will show you how to make a quiz on Google Forms. First, open your browser and go to Google Forms. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account. You will see a blank form or some templates. Click on a blank form to start. Next, give your quiz a title and a description. This can explain what the quiz is about and any instructions for participants. The first question is added by default. Type your question in the text box. Then choose the type of answer, like multiple choice, checkboxes, or short answer. To make this a quiz, click on Settings in the top right corner. Go to the Quizzes tab and turn on Make this a quiz. You can choose to release the grade immediately or later. Now for each question, click Answer Key to set the correct answer and assign points. You can also add feedback for correct or incorrect answers. To add more questions, click the plus sign. Repeat the process for as many questions as you need. You can also use sections to organize your quiz. Once your quiz is ready, click the Publish button. You can share the quiz via link or click on Share to share it via email. You can also view responses in the Responses tab. Google Forms will automatically calculate scores for each participant. That is how you can make a quiz on Google Forms. Thanks for watching.